My printer has arrived. So I would like to give a very special thank you out to Larry and Steve. They were the gentlemen earlier in the video that were helping me bring the printer in. They were not just some crazy delivery guys I brought into my house. I'm working on a project with them, and they're the ones who are making this all possible for me. So I am very grateful to them. They are the people who are making all this happen. Please don't forget to subscribe to my videos. That way you get to see the next one when it comes out, which I'm hoping it'll be how to get that first print off your print bed. Happy printing. We'll see you later. Back to it. Pop some more.
What?
Pop more bubbles.
Why?
Because it's awesome. Okay, come give me a high five. Yeah!